a video. Okay, so this is finished now, except for a few decorations. It works. It turns. That was the indicators on there. Then polish it up a bit. So that was fun doing that project. Got a couple of hold on, lighting. See what that looks like. That looks better. This is off a ship, World War II, and this part, as you've seen before, is off a World War II ship. What I'll do is, on the back, I'm deciding what to put there. Maybe a pulley or another wheel, maybe. I don't know. Not a big issue. It's tapped and drilled. Oh, I got that all in 1 minute. I'm going on to 1, 2, 3 seconds over a minute. So that's the base. Just all I have to do is put these cap screws in the top. No problem. Won't take long to do that. So one there for now. Then tomorrow I'll put other ones on. Like so. Looks pretty neat. And I'll take a buffing wheel to all of it. Another cap screw on this side. Okay. Woohoo. It's all brass. The whole everything's brass, and this is stainless. This old wheel out of a warship with macrame on it. This is interesting. Probably a submarine. I can disengage it and engage it as well if I want to do that. Right here, I just pull on it, disengage and engage it, like so. And that's what turns. So I'm thinking that, this should be polished up. Like busting. Put an indicator here, the numbers along here, off to the races. Proud of it. It's pretty good. Next patient will be, I don't know. Hard to tell. Always busy with something. I'd like to get this mounted. And the feet arrived, but need a little work on that, and I got risers. And the pan is coming too for it, so. Then I mount this on that, and add a motor. 4-jaw chuck, and what is that, 8 inch? 8 inch. 10 inch, 8 inch. I have used it, and I did face it off when, for the faceplate, so what the hell? A Johnny made lathe, huh? And I want to really do something with this over here, this amazing spindle head. I think it'd be an awesome milling machine head. I got ideas. It's a matter of finding some heavy material for that, like I mentioned yesterday. I like ideas. There's a lot of my milling is small, sometimes quite large, but need a C-shaped chunk of steel. It's probably 2 inches thick on each side of it, or an inch. Might get away with an inch. Bolt that on. Have a motor. Since I use tungsten carbide roughing mills, it's not a problem having it going high speed. I'll get around to that too, a million other things, and I'm going to have a vacation for a day or two sometime at the scrap yards. 2 of them I patronize, and get some more machine tool stuff. And like this little fellow that I restored. Oh, that was fun. That was a fun project as well. Lots of fun projects. Dr. Winfield.